Hello, my creatives. This is Charlotte from Photohacklovers.com, and today I'm answering some FAQ questions. So we've had some customers who are having trouble downloading files, and so I am just here today to basically go over and instruct you how to download a file off of my website or any website for that matter. Okay, so the question I get is, why isn't my digital item downloading? Okay, so once you have paid for your item or you got your item for free by filling out the form, the site will automatically direct you to a page which will give you an optional button to download, and it will also email the product link to you. You can see the screenshot below to give you a visualization of how you will receive your digital download. And I've already have an example here. So I just basically set this up as a display so you could see here. That is not my physical address. All of this information is fictional. So, you know, this is just as an example. So you would just click the download button, and the download button would begin, and as you can see, there is a little indicator here that's showing you the progress of your download. So if you download this and you're like, hey, where's my download? If you are using something other than Chrome, you're gonna run into issues. This is specifically why I use Chrome, because Chrome is the best browser. But if you use a different browser, you're going to have to research on the internet how to, use your browser, Internet 101. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download the files with at least one browser, Chrome. So if you cannot find your downloads, what you're going to do is you're going to click this little button here, and you're going to go to downloads. And that is going to take you to a page like this, which is going to show you where all your downloads are. And if you don't know where they are, you can click this little button here, and that's going to tell you show in folder, and it's going to take you right to your download. Now, in some cases, some people have poor internet or bandwidth connection or interruption issues. For example, if your daughter or kid is watching Netflix in the living room and your husband is watching, Game of Thrones in the bedroom, and you only have 25 megabits of bandwidth, well, everyone in your house is utilizing your bandwidth. If you're downloading multiple items, it could cause you to have a slow connection. And if you're downloading larger bundles, which I do offer a lot of larger bundles, it's going to take, depending on your bandwidth, at least 5 to 20 minutes for your download to take place. Now, I have 100 megs, which is not typical for most people. So mine usually tend to download in a couple of minutes. If you have 10 megs or lower, it's going to take quite a while for your files to download, possibly like 5 or 10 minutes. So you want to be, obviously aware of this, and it will show you in Chrome the status of your download. So you don't need to continue to hit the download button, because then that's going to just make multiple downloads and make your download even slower. Some browsers do not show the status indicator of your download, so I highly suggest installing Chrome. It's much faster. As you can see here, I have provided screenshots here. I've also showed you about, clicking right up here. You can, get to the downloads from there. And another reason, and this is not usually typically the case, but I've had some customers try to do this. Another reason why some customers may not be getting their digital downloads is that they're trying to save it on a cell phone or tablet. You must save the items to your desktop in order to download them properly. Okay, now some customers will receive a text document, and I'll show you what that is. Okay, these are text documents. Now, the text document, once you unzip the file, there will be a text document, and sometimes there's multiple links in there to make it easier for the customer to download. So you're going to have to double click on that, copy and paste the link. There should be information inside the text document. What you're going to want to do is you're going to double click it, open it, copy and paste the link inside the browser, hit enter, and then go back here, go to downloads, and watch the progress of your download. Okay? Last but not least, okay, there is a Facebook chat on the website, and it's there so that you guys can have questions answered. I would greatly appreciate if you guys would first, before you hit the chat button, if you would please read the FAQ completely, watch this video completely, because most of your questions will be answered you know, within minutes of, this is only a 5-minute video, so I mean within seconds of listening to me talk, you should be able to get it. And there's also on the product page itself, you can go down and if you're signed in, you can make a comment here, you can post a comment, and I'll be able to respond. If you email into the order page is meant for you to receive your order. It's not really meant for customer communication. So sometimes I don't get those emails because those emails are kind of lost in translation, because I get so many transaction emails. Oh, hey, you have an order. Hey, you have an order. So my mind is just automatically programmed to ignore them unless you send me like 2 emails in a row. I wouldn't know that you're emailing me. So it's very important that you try to reach out to me in either the contact us. Facebook is the best way, or leaving a comment, because I read those and I get notifications of those. Plus, you have all of my social media links here that you can get in contact with me. I want to provide the utmost customer service, the best customer service, but I also need the cooperation of my customers in order to do this. Sometimes we have to help ourselves a little to get you know, the results that we want. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped, and I hope to answer all your questions about downloading files off the internet. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Like this video if you liked it, and if you have any more questions, please reach out to me. I am always available to you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.